dead end. You're either lost, kitten, or you've got a death wish. Either way, you're in my hunting grounds, and that's not good for you. I can smell the fear coming off you in waves, sweet and savory at the same time. The sweat on your skin and the adrenaline coursing through your blood. Oh, don't worry. You have a couple of options. You can apologize and beg me not to chew you up and use your bones as toothpicks. Or you can run away. I could use a nice chase. Damn. I was hoping you would run. Would have been more fun for me. You do look cute when you beg, though. Now tell me, what are you doing in my territory? A meeting? Really? In these parts? You really are lost. Well, because the folks that come around here aren't really ones for good company. I'm sure you understand. I mean criminals. That pretty little head of yours empty. Well, what do you want? I could send you on your way. The kind gentleman that I am. But that would most likely be sending you to your death, one way or another. Use that head of yours, kitten. Someone sent you here on a wild goose chase in hopes that you'd be mauled by a few random werewolves of the oh-so-infamous pack. Lady Luck just happened to send you running blind into my claws instead. Some of the others would rather have made you a plaything before letting you go. What do you think it means? Because you're probably right. Oh, good job. Oh, really? You want to go back? Sure, you could go back. Wander back into that big, scary city full of hundreds of thousands of people. At least one of which probably wants you dead. Why not? Allow me to lead you back to more civilized civilization. Question for me. Alright, shoot. I wasn't gonna kill ya. I have far more self-control than that. You're just a fun little thing to play with. Oh, you'll live. Now, my turn. Tell me your name. But I assume you wouldn't mind if I kept calling you Kitten, I'm Ezekiel, Alpha of the pack here in Rockwell. Yes, that group. Good, you've heard of us. The lost pup is at least a little informed. Pretty much. We deal in all sorts of business. Drugs, hit marks, bodyguards, thugs for hire. pretty much whatever pays us well enough. And they do pay. Sure, we live here and it looks like nothing but a rundown warehouse district barely fit for the drunkards. And most of it is. But it keeps people away. Usually. A little hush money to the council and they ignore this whole district of the city. It belongs to us. How would I know? But I can tell ya, people don't have business meetings around these parts. Even people we work with. You must be new to Montique if you don't know that. All I know about you is your name, and that you're pretty fun to look at. Why don't you tell me why someone would set you up? If the text came from your coworker, maybe someone took their phone. And what do you do for work? Wait. Project manager with Mirskov Industries. Well, that explains it. Mirskov has no shortage of enemies. Because it's a hostile corporation that's been targeting other large business conglomerates all over the world, trying to take over as much capital as it can. I'm sure you've seen it. Sure, we've worked with them many times. I told you we pretty much work for anyone that can pay the bills. Mirskov certainly can do that. The CFO gets in contact with us and we do the job. And they like that we take payment off the books. Recently? Well, a few of my wolves were assigned to bodyguard one of the high-ranking CEOs. Good thing, too. Oh, I wasn't there. But my beta, Griffin, was. As my second, I trusted him with the job. Told me the convoy of cars they were driving was crashed into by a few trucks. They tried to off the guy right there in the street, but it's a little bit more difficult with some 8-foot tall or so werewolves standing in the way. So, what was this meeting? Who are you supposed to be seeing here? Craig Knight, esteemed businessman that he is. Gods, you really are naive, aren't you? Oh no, Craig is a very shrewd and powerful businessman. Dangerous, too. Oh, that beast folk would do anything to stay at the top. I wouldn't be surprised if he was behind sending you here. But, who am I to say? I'm just a wolf that knows a lot of people. But I can't believe you think he would come around here. Then, why crime? Why not? The world has already dealt out the cards. Gotta play the ones we're given. And if the whole wide world is only gonna see the big bad wolf, might as well embrace it. Have some fun. And here we are. Just follow this road up and you'll hit Main Street. Don't thank me. For all I know, I could be sending you off to your death. Then again, maybe I'll see you around, kitten. Where are you from, by the way? Ah, yeah, Rutherford. So, you ain't from that far away. Well, looks like you're about to take a crash course on Montique. Keep those eyes open, kitten.
Hey, you. And don't worry, I'm Lyra. Lyra Nocturne, the Chief of Police. Yes, I heard about your little mishap last night. How are you feeling? Well, I wanted to make sure. After all, you didn't submit a police report. I have eyes everywhere, and I happen to know you spoke to a rather cocky wolf as well. Because he likes to talk. And he's, well, an associate of mine. Listen, I just need to know if you need to tell me about something. Anything. Something to do with your work, the pack. Everything is my business. And when it comes to that bunch of dogs, it very much concerns me. Then perhaps I'll have a word with Mr. Marco Mirskov. If you're sure you really don't know anything. Is that so? Craig Knight, was it? Well, I'll have a few words with him as well then. Trouble? Tell me, should you be in trouble? Good. Then go about your day. And try not to wander too far.
Ah, nice try. Eh? Yes, that's right. Ezekiel. Not the time to talk. Come here. Ah, there's those lovely eyes. Good. Means you're still alive. Where? You don't recognize your own room. That crash to a number on your skull. Now that is a better question. I'm here because someone wants you dead. Just like I said earlier. But Mirskov wants you alive. He hired me to protect you. I was on my way to get you when I heard the car crash. Same ploy that I mentioned before. And to be fair, it usually does work for him. No, he didn't hire me specifically. He contracted the pack for your protection. Fortunately for you, I took an interest in a little lost pup that wandered into the big bad wolf's den. I learned all I needed to know from your boss. Your schedule at work, daily routine, hobbies, address, family history, things like that. Privacy is a luxury you no longer have access to, kitten. Sorry to burst your bubble. Because it looks like you're in someone's way, and they want you out of it. Completely. I don't know, maybe some project you're in charge of. Maybe they just want to replace you with someone else. Or maybe you just pissed someone off. Either way, here I am. You'll just have to deal with my company, kitten. But don't worry, you'll be safe with me, and soon we'll be well acquainted. One way or another. Oh, you're fine. I had a doc check you out while you were unconscious. They healed up the wounds you had, but your car is totaled. Had Griffin get your personal belongings and bring them here, though. Wallet, and phone, bag, all that shit. I'm not an amateur, kitten. Now, what's the sleeping arrangements gonna be, huh? You wanna take the couch and give me the bed? Or, we gonna share? 'Cause I wouldn't mind a little bed warmer like you. Don't look so surprised, kitten. You're not getting rid of me. Might as well get comfortable being close. Why not jump off the deep end? I'm sure you know how to swim. Alright, I see how it is. I'll take the couch. But if you change your mind, I won't feel bad if you come out and sneak in with me. I may even let you lay on top. Well, that was fast. I'm over here, in your kitchen. Yeah, looking something to snack on. I'm not going to sleep anytime soon. Might as well steal your food while I'm here. Got any pizza? Score. Should I be worried? You're the one someone's trying to off. Why should I be scared? Careful. All that concern is liable to hurt my poor feelings. Come here. Let me see your hands. You feel that strength? Go ahead. Wriggle, squirm, but you aren't going anywhere. You're so worried about someone coming after you when the most dangerous thing in this city is already in your home. You trusted my words because I saved your life. But if I wanted to, I could snap you like a twig. You got that? Ah, look at that. Chow's ready. Sorry, my focus has moved to food. Now, just sit here on your couch and eat. Before I take it all. Of course you can. It's your place. You want to sleep on the couch? Go for it. Maybe I'll steal your bed. I'm kidding. Sure, you're feeling concerned. You don't want to be alone. I understand. But if that's how you feel, we may as well take your bed. Fine, whatever. Couch it is. What's it look like? I'm making room for you. Come here, kid. Yes, I'm serious. Lay on my chest. There. Yes, saving someone's life tends to make them more open to being vulnerable. We'll see if that's a smart move or a stupid one. For now, you might as well sleep. I'm still taking the rest of this pizza, by the way. This was a Crowdance audio production. If you enjoyed, please, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. This script was written by Sensory VA Audios. The art used in the video was also done by her. Her link is in the description. Please check her out. She's a very good friend and does amazing stuff. I think her 2-year anniversary is coming. Well, not soonish, but within the next couple of months. So yeah, go check it out. Bozos. Toodles.